Good evening, everybody. This is Chris
And Joan
from Chris and Jones Travels. Hey, we're in Las Vegas. It's Labor Day weekend, and we're staying at the Wyndham Grand Desert in Tower 3, room 885. Joan's going to give you a tour.
All right, here we go. And we have the wristbands that automatic for the door. You like that? So this is a one bedroom. When you first walk in, here's the dining room area. And the living room area. And the table. So we'll start off in the kitchen. It's a decent sized kitchen. Has all the amenities as usual, which you know what you need. We bring our own food and alcohol because we do drive, so we pack everything, so it has everything you need, all the pots and pans, utensils, everything you need. Cups, saucers. There's a microwave and stove. And the coffee pot. So it's a standard coffee pot with grounds. And the salt and pepper. Oh, we like these little salt and peppers. They're just towels and things. Let's see if we have a scrub mommy. Basic refrigerator. We brought, like I said, we brought our own stuff. So, already cold, which is good. Here's the living room. And the TV. This is the bedroom. It's good size. A nice dresser. And it's an outlet on the ends of each lamp, so we like that. It's a good size dresser, so 6 drawers, good size. And the end table. Here's our view. Not bad. We like it. And good size closet with hangers. And the safe. So the safe is a good size safe. It's a 2 shelves. So I would believe probably a small laptop would fit in there, and definitely tablets. So definitely can fit quite a few stuff in there for you. So that is a good thing. So from the bedroom is the bathroom area. So that has an open window. There's no door here. That's their weird thing. And a sink. And then the bathtub, jacuzzi. And then a door for the bathroom. Standard bathroom, but it's a good size. We like it. And it does have a hairdryer. And good storage. So, towels, and if you ever need more, they don't provide daily service, so if you need anything, you just call. Good size shower. Make sure it's clean this time. It's a good size shower. And then from here, you go into the dining room. Here is the laundry. Washer dryer. We like it. We don't like this all-in-ones. Those do not work well. And good size closet with extra bedding, your ironing board, broom and a little sweeper, extra hangers. That's our pool toys and our cooler. So good size. So everything's here. So we are here for the weekend, the Labor Day weekend. So it took us 5.5 hours to get here, which is about average for where we come from, Southern California. Had a little bit hit some rain, real rain. We don't know what that is because we live in California. And Had a little slide over and a little hit some hydroplane in there, but we made it here safe. That's all that counts. So we'll do more tours later. All right, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more information. And like and subscribe our page. We'd appreciate it. Bye for now.